How much did you have to drink today, man?
Not that much.
Not that much?
I wish I had more. At this point, I wish I had more.
What kind of alcohol drinks have you had?
I had Coors Light.
About how many?
Probably 6.
Going to be placed under arrest for driving under the influence.
Excuse
me? You heard me.
I will do an entire jig for you. You never asked once for, when you asked for my license, you didn't ask for my gold card. I have to poop.
Okay, we can go to the bathroom inside. You guys both alright? Yeah. Everybody's good?
Oh, we're fine.
Okay.
There was a white Jeep that hit me from behind.
Okay.
This is just my mom's, her car.
Yeah.
That's why.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Mom.
No, it's okay. They were on their way out anyway.
That hit me from behind.
Okay.
Took off towards Myrtle Avenue.
Okay.
I don't know where they went.
Yeah, I got you. Alright, so then obviously you...
Yeah. No, I took the brunt of it.
Okay. And what was going on prior to the accident? Were you stopped or just driving?
Yeah, just the light traffic was backed up, so we stopped.
It was backed up.
Oh, it was backed all the way up to here?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, no problem. Alright, yeah, just need driver's license, just insurance, and registration cards if you have it. Thank you. No, it's okay, relax. You alright though?
Yeah, no, I'm totally fine.
Okay.
Can you just take that and I'll get the insurance? I was like,
is it registered to you?
It's totally registered.
Yeah, then it's fine. I don't even need it. I'll leave it in there for you. I'll get it off the license plate.
I'll get it.
Thank you.
It's her vehicle.
No problem. Thank you.
Mom, I'm sorry.
They were stopped in traffic. She said that she said yeah, she got some damage.
Between Victor and 36.
Yeah, I don't really see much damage on there.
Yeah, I don't see much on this.
I gotta get algorithm stuff.
Victor 36 for what? Your stepdom?
Yeah.
Hey, you just got your insurance card?
Yes.
I can grab everything off the plate otherwise.
Stand by.
Insurance and registration.
Perfect, thank you.
Inside. I'm sorry.
No, you're good. You're good.
County 30 for contact with you. Receive, thank you. I'm here to you.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm not a genius, but...
No, I don't see any... No, I know what you're going to say. About somebody hitting her?
No, it kind of... Yeah.
Nah, she...
Smells and looks like...
Nah, she jammed on the brakes and rammed in the back end.
It smells and looks like she's been drinking.
Okay, alright. Oh, well... Okay. You get all that. He just came up here and said he thought the father thought she might be drinking. I'll be honest, I didn't even really get that close to her.
Right.
Obviously, her story doesn't really add up. Looks to me like she jammed on the brakes and in the back end. So.
Right.
You can go talk to her if you wanna.
See you for
sure. 36 initial please.
Do you need a TOFA? This one? I know.
What's that?
Is your car drivable or no?
No, I'm gonna have to tell her. Okay. But I figured let's take care of this first.
Okay.
We'll go from there. We'll share your information. And obviously, you know, well, not that it matters regardless. She's the one that ran in the back of him, but her story, obviously, is not really holding up based on what we see here.
Yeah.
No. And if you were in a line of traffic from here, I don't think that
somebody's gonna
show up into oncoming traffic. Yeah, exactly.
All right, sir. So
that's it.
Okay.
He's like, you work
Your license is inside there, okay? I just don't want you to fall down.
Okay.
So this is the accident number to the accident, so you could go on that site when the report is ready. You just gotta allow like 65 business days for it to be ready before you could check it. Okay. So you could just go on that site and you'll be able to.
And I can find it with this. Okay.
With that number, okay? Cool. All right. Same thing for you, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. That's to the how to obtain the report, okay? All right. And that's what it is. This is your documents. Did you have your driver's license?
I did. I gave it to the officer.
You gave it to the officer? Okay.
Yeah, it's back in your purse.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
It's like,
how much did you have to drink today, ma'am?
Not that much.
Not that much?
I wish I had more. At this point, I wish I had more.
Okay. Alright,
we're just going to run you through a few tests, right?
Yeah, you good to go.
Thank you, officer. Thank you, officer. Appreciate it.
Take care.
Thank you, officer. Appreciate it.
Alright, he's just going to run you through a few tests, okay? So just stay there. I'm just going to back.
This was the part that when I tried to lift the hood that came off.
Okay.
We'll leave that there. I'm just going to back my car up.
Alright.
And then we'll do it behind the car. Right?
Okay, alright. Alright, so we're just going to step behind your vehicle, okay?
Okay.
Alright. You could just place that stuff on the hood of your car for me, alright?
My apologies.
No problem. No need to apologize. That's fine. Stop right here. That's fine. That's fine. Just stand right next behind to your car right there.
Yeah.
Stand right to your car.
Just walk?
No, just go to your car. You don't have to walk. You're not doing the test yet, okay? I just want you to stand right there. Alright?
So for the roads provided, front end damage, 1 out for testing, 1736.
Alright, ma'am. So we're just going to run you through a few tests. So you could turn around. You could turn around, okay? No injuries, nothing that's going to impede you. Any injuries on your legs, feet, anything like that?
I mean, I rolled off of my ankle weird this morning. But
this morning?
Yeah.
Okay, which ankle?
The left ankle.
Okay. Alright, so I'm going to have you take a series of steps, okay? So it's going to be from heel to toe, okay? It's going to be 9 steps. I'm going to demonstrate before you do it first, okay? Understand? So you're going to be on the white line. So you're going to take a series of 9 steps, okay? Heel to toe. Do you understand? I'm going to demonstrate, and then you do it. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so on. And then you're going to take
9 steps,
right. Then you're going to take a pivot, a turn, and do the same thing back. Okay. All right. Don't start until I tell you to. All right. Okay.
Hey, if you want to just set your feet up.
Yep.
Sorry.
Right?
Okay.
I'm an Irish dancer, so.
Okay. All right. So you could go ahead and start the test. All right.
I'm very nervous.
Okay.
I'm nervous. Stop over.
Heel to toe. Is that 9 steps? Are you counting?
I was not honestly counting because
Okay.
I'm very.
All right.
Can I count going back?
Sure.
I'm very sorry. Like, honestly, like, I'm an Irish dancer. This is how I'm supposed to stand.
Okay. All right.
Alright, that's good, man. You can turn around.
All right, you can turn around. Okay, the next test is gonna be you're gonna 1 feet down with your hands to your side. Okay, just listen before you try to do it. Okay, I'm gonna demonstrate before you try to do it. So you're gonna hold 1 foot up, point your toe to the ground. I'm doing it before you do it. Okay. Okay, so you're gonna have 1 foot, you're gonna point it to the ground. You're gonna go 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, and so on and so on, okay?
509.
I'll tell you when to stop, okay? Alright, go ahead.
Ma'am, I know before you start, okay? I know you it's your foot of your choice. I know you said you had the injury to your left. So again, I'm not telling you can't use your left. I'm just telling you you have the injury there. You might want to use your right. Whatever you feel more comfortable with. Also, if you want to take your sandals off, you can. If you feel like your balance is compromised by the sandals, you can take the sandals off. So I don't have a problem with that. All right. So again, as Officer Henry Feet together, please. Hands down your side, just like this, okay? Feet together, just like off my arm.
Feet together.
Okay? You're going to raise the foot of your choice, like you said, approximately 6 inches off the ground. You're going to point that toe forward, okay? You're going to begin counting 1001, 1002, 1003 until he tells you to stop. Okay? If your foot does go down, you can pick that foot back up and continue counting. Do you understand the directions as he explained them to you? Okay, when you're ready,
how many 1000s?
You're going to continue until he tells you to stop, okay? When you're ready, you can begin.
Okay. Alright, make sure your feet are straight together, ma'am. Okay? Like this. I understand that you say you're a dancer. Step over here a little bit. I don't want you to get hit by the car, right? Make sure your feet is together, okay?
Honestly, I don't mean that sarcastically.
I understand, but you gotta try to do it the way I demonstrated to do it, okay? Hands at your side, okay? Foot of your choice, whichever one. Hands at your side. And count out loud.
1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000, 6 1000, 10. Oh, well, 10 1000 is 10,000.
Okay, alright, you can stop. You can stop. What do you think,
1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000. 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000, 6 1000, 10,000.
Good. All right, the last test I'm going to do, I'm just going to test your eyes, okay? You can relax. Do you have anything wrong with your eyes?
No.
Okay.
Actually, this contact was bothering me today, but my allergies have been very bad the last 2 weeks.
Okay, no nystagmus or anything like that, okay?
No astigmatism or anything like that.
So what I want you to do is just follow the tip of the pen, okay?
Yep.
All right, you're just going to follow it. It's like so you want to keep your head straight and just follow your eyes and your eyes only, okay? So keep that head straight. All right. Alright, the last thing you're doing, I'm just going to go up and down, okay?
Okay.
Alright?
Yep.
Just keep your head straight. Okay, man. Alright, what I'm going to do is just turn around, put your hands behind your back, okay? You're going to be placed under arrest for driving under the influence,
Excuse
okay?
me?
You heard me.
I'm not under the influence.
You are. Based on the test, based on the test we just did, I'm not going to argue with you out here, okay? All right, just turn around for me. Put your hands behind your back, please.
Put your flip-flops on.
Please.
Put your sandals on first, man.
Yeah, man, I'm not going to argue with you out here, okay?
I don't want to argue with you because I'm not under the influence.
Okay, well, the test and everything states otherwise, okay?
The sun is literally at that crazy angle.
The sun had nothing to do with the test. It didn't affect you.
I will do an entire jig for you. Sergeant Grimes, I'm really not trying to argue with you.
Okay, ma'am, I'm just going based off the test, what we saw, okay? Based on the totality of circumstances here on the accident.
Sergeant Grimes.
Yes, I'm listening to you, but I'm not going to argue with you out here, okay?
I'm not trying to argue with you, honest to God. The sun is at a very crazy angle right now.
All right.
Excuse me.
Yeah, just put your hands behind your back, okay?
Excuse me,
ma'am. We're not going to have this. We're not going to have this argument.
I'm not trying to argue.
Please, ma'am. I'm not trying to make this a bigger deal than it is. Okay. Just please put your hands behind your back. He's placed under arrest. Okay, and we can talk about it inside.
Excuse me, Sergeant Grimes.
Yes.
You never asked once when you asked for my license. You didn't ask for my gold card.
Okay. I didn't know you have it. I don't usually ask for a gold card. Okay. All right,
I'm so sorry.
Just put your hands behind your back, please.
Please, no.
All right, man.
Man, please. We're not going to do this. We're not going to do this.
I have to poop.
Okay, we can go to the bathroom inside.
Okay.
Please.
Ma'am, there's nothing we can do with this.
I am not, I will do a full Irish jig for you right now.
Ma'am, that's great. Please, just put your hands behind your back, okay? And we'll take care of it inside, okay?
All right, let's go, man.
We're going to make things worse if you continue to do this.
I don't want to make things worse.
I know, and I don't want to do that either, okay? So we're going to go inside.
Please, no.
Okay?
Please.
Listen, we're past that point, okay?
Why? Why are we past that point?
Because we already done the testing. The accident already occurred. There's nothing we could do, okay?
There you go, man.
So we're going to go inside, all right? Do you want to put your flip-flops on, please? All right? We'll go inside and we can talk inside, all right?
Just put your shoe on.
All right. I'll take that. We'll take it.
Yeah, you can just walk back to the car.
Who's taking my car?
Your car's going to get towed. Okay, John's towing and Long Branch is going to take it.
Alright, this way, back to this car.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yep. Oh, I'm sorry.
It's alright. Gonna go on the other side, okay? Other side, come on.
Oh, other side, I'm sorry. Yep. I thought you said don't go on the other side.
Sorry, it's a little tight, but we're getting. Alright. Hold on. Take your seatbelt out.
Sorry.
Sorry. We're gonna go this way. Come on. Alright, we're gonna have a seat right on the bench. I'll be right there to handcuff you, okay? Alright, just have a seat. Stand up for me.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah. Turn around. I'm gonna take them off.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. Alright. Alright. So have a seat right here. Right there for me. Put it in. Alright.
How are you?
Good. Alright, I just have to read this to you verbatim, okay? You've been arrested for driving while intoxicated, NJSA 39-4-50. This law requires you to submit samples of your breath for the purpose of testing to determine alcohol content. A record of taking the breath samples, including the test results, will be made. Upon your request, a copy of that record will be made available to you. After you have provided samples of your breath for testing, you have the right, at your own expense, to have a person or physician of your own selection take independent samples of your breath, blood, or urine for independent testing. If you refuse to provide samples of your breath, you will be issued a separate summons for a refusal. A court may find you guilty for both a refusal and driving while intoxicated. If a court finds you guilty for refusal, you will be subject to various penalties, including license revocation of up to 20 years, a fine of up to $2,000, installation of the ignition interlock, and a referral to Intoxicated Driver Resource Center. These penalties may be in addition to penalties imposed by the court for any other offense of which you are found guilty. You have no legal right to have an attorney, physician, or anyone else present for the purpose of taking breath samples. You have no legal right to refuse to give or delay samples of your breath. Any response from you that is ambiguous or conditional in any respect to my request that you provide breath samples will be treated as a refusal to submit breath testing. Even if you agree to take the test, but then do not follow my instructions, do not properly perform the test, or do not provide sufficient breath samples, I will charge you with refusal to submit breath testing. I repeat, the law requires you to submit samples of your breath for testing. Will you submit samples of your breath?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to advise you of your Miranda rights now. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have them present while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to you to represent you. Before any questioning, if you wish, you can decide at any time to exercise your rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand these rights that I have explained to you?
Yes.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us going forward?
I guess so. I wasn't really given an option otherwise.
Well, there's more questioning. The earlier ones were just very basic information, things like that. Going forward, you have those rights if you. It's your choice.
Sure.
Okay. What kind of alcoholic drinks have you had?
I had Coors Light.
About how many?
Probably 6.
Where?
Kelly's Corner Tavern.
All right, take this off.
Unit roll call.
No problem. Just stand right here. That's the reason we're waiting, okay?
3, thank you. 53-106, you getting roll call?
Breath. Blow into the mouthpiece with one long continuous breath. Continue to blow until I tell you to stop. Do you understand these directions? You don't need to touch the hose, so I'm going to hold it. All ready?
53-106, are you getting roll call?
No. Wrap around and blow. Blow, blow,
Great,
blow,
thank
blow,
you.
blow, blow. You got a little more. You got a little more. Harder, 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 harder. There you go. Keep going. Keep going. Up, up, up. Blow, 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 blow.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
That's okay. You have a seat. Yeah, you can have a seat. It's going to be good. We have to get 2 good samples, okay?
Okay.
Like those directions said, you just got to one deep blow into the mouthpiece with one long continuous breath. Continue to blow until I tell you to stop. Right. Come back over. Good. Try this again. You got any questions from the directions? Deep breath and blow. Okay? So again, I want you to take a deep breath and blow into the mouthpiece with one long continuous breath. Continue to blow until I tell you to stop. Do you understand these directions?
Yes.
Okay. Go all the way around. Your mouth all the way around it. Blow, blow, blow. Keep blowing. Keep blowing. Blow.
I'm sorry.
You have to actually.
I'm sorry.
Okay. Oh, you have to see. We're going to try it again. Those 2 times. All right. Good. And I want you to take a deep breath, blow into the mouthpiece with one long continuous breath. Continue to blow until I tell you to stop. Okay? Blow, 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 blow. More, harder, harder, harder. Like blowing up a balloon. Blow, blow.
Sorry.
If you breathe in at any point, it stops on that.
I'm sorry.
You have to be continuously breathing. All right, you got to see. Like you're blowing up a balloon. You got to really try. Okay? Do you understand?
I do.
Okay. All right. Come on over. Again, I want you to take a deep breath and blow into the mouthpiece with one long continuous breath. Continue to blow until I tell you to stop. Do you understand the direction?
Yes.
Blow. Blow, 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 blow. All right. Speed.
I'm sorry.
We'll get your body cam back, all right? So she's also going to be here with a refusal, so you got to cut her out as well. It's 39,450.2, I believe. And then I'll update the DUI package. If you could just have a seat back in that corner. Yeah. All right, you're good.
they don't answer, do I get another call? I'm sorry.
Yeah, you leave a voice.
Hi, it's Gabby. I'm at the Oceanport Police Station. I need someone to come and pick me up. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't want to call you. Thank you. I'll goodbye.
Thank you. Good, see. She's coming or?
I hope so.
Did she say it or no?
Colleen said, Al, can you drive?
Okay, so I'm assuming they're coming. Alright, you could just have a seat. You gotta put your phone back down here. You can't be on your phone, okay? Right here, that's fine. Just have a seat back from now.
Alright.
What's the cost to remove me from this place?
No cost.
Oh, okay.
What? Oh.
I was like, I'll just charge my debit card.
No, it doesn't work like that. They just sign a form, and you go. For DWI, it's not criminal, so people don't go to jail for DWI. It's just, you pretty much are released on a summons. So, we just need to release you to a responsible person, that's all.
Thank you.
No problem. Christian, make sure you get those summonses out.
Oh, yeah.
How many will I be receiving?
DWI and refusal at the minimum. And I wasn't at the scene. I don't know anything to do with the crash.
Yes.
So anything with the crash, I don't know. I'm just here strictly for.
I understand, sir.
Yeah.
There's none for the crash. You're just going to receive the 2 summons. Driving under the influence and the refusal, okay? Yeah, put the car in too for the refusal, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's the same thing like
450.
No, I'm really not trying to be sarcastic. Can you explain to me at what point it said in the thing that
sure,
if it was more than 4, like I'm not trying to be sarcastic, sir.
Yeah.
I just don't remember the number, that's why.
So it doesn't specify the number. The machine itself will abort. I didn't stop it. I just kept going.
No, that's what I was like. I don't remember it saying I can't do this.
Yes. So, in number 8 of that statement I read, the standard statement, that whole form I read first, says any response from you that is ambiguous or conditional in any respect to my
That's
request,
what it comes up as. I understand that.
They provide breath samples. I'm just going to read it.
Yeah, no, I understand.
And then, even if you agree to take the test, but then do not follow my instructions, comma, do not properly perform the test, or do not provide sufficient breath samples, you'll be charged with refusal to submit breath tests.
Thank you.
That's what it would fall under.
I understand. I really, like, I know you're not.
451, you said?
450.2. Yeah, no, I don't.
No, I
think you're
understand.
being sarcastic or.
No,
Believe me, you're much more polite than 99% of the people that are in your in here for the same thing. So I appreciate. We both appreciate that. I understand. You're frustrated. Naturally, it's going to happen. You know.
Right there. I'm going to just take a picture real fast, okay? Can we just sit right behind that X1?
Did you take the sunglasses yourself?
my apologies.
That's okay. That's okay.
Okay, you just turn and look at it for me.
She have everything she needs?
Okay, alright, Sarge. Yeah, she got the paperwork, yeah?
Okay.
It's just the 4 summonses, right?
Yeah, that's it. And you have a copy of the refusal too, right? The breathalyzer, you have that? Okay, good. You're good to go. You got all your keys, got your phone, you got your license.
pretty much putting there taking responsibility for the next 12 hours. And this is where you sign. House Mahoney, 15 River Ave, Mount Beach, Patrolman Ruin, and it's right there.
Where do you want?
Right in that line, yep.
38.7, I sent you a message.
Alrighty. It is 7:23. Okay, you guys are all set.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, no problem. Take care.